Hey guys, so in today's video I will be showing you how you can print directly from Notability. So let's get straight into it, step by step. Open up your note which you want to print. Now we will navigate to that options. Okay, so now here you will see print. So select this button right over here, this print button. And it open up some new pop-up window where we can check a little bit what we will print. So we have 4 pages as we wish. Now we can just select which page we want to print, so it doesn't be necessary the whole 4 pages, but we can select just one if we want, so as something like that. Now just the last one will be printed, or we can now also here on the right side we can select how many copies we want, so 1 2. Also range here, this is where we set how which page we want. Then paper size we can select, as you can see, and also most importantly we can select here printer which we want to use. If you have more of them, then this is really you need to really know which one is right. Here is just one, uh, and that's basically it. After that we just press print right here at the top right corner. You will see this blue dot which I'm showing you right now, and this is it. This will print your notes from Notability. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.